Welcome everyone, I'm your host True Track. Today we're going to be doing a sway bar end link replacement on this 2008 Chevy Trailblazer. After choosing your desired side to start on, I like to take a long wrench, this is a short one for example, put it on my top bolt, and then take a ratchet to my bottom bolt. That way when the shaft spins, the top wrench will hit the tire and stop it from turning. Fair warning, this is going to take a little while by hand. If you have access to an electric ratchet or an impact that can fit, I highly recommend using that. After a lifetime of turning, the nut's done. It's time to come out. Using a small wrench to show an example, watch out for falling wrenches up top, and you're ready to pull out the long bolt, and then remove all the other hardware and old bushings to get it all out. Now this side's done, it's time to go release the other side. Now, without removing the other side yet, we're just going to loosen it up. This will allow the sway bar to have travel, making installation on the side we just took off so much more easier. Now with that out of the way, installation of your new end link is rather simple. You could even look to your old end link as an example. Or, if you're like me and reading was never your strong suit, thankfully there's a picture of a fully assembled one on the box that the parts came in. However, as long as you follow the pattern of bolt, washer, bushing through the control arm, and then bushing, washer, pin, and then washer, bushing through the sway bar, bushing, washer, and then nut on top, you shouldn't go wrong at all. Again, refer to the picture if you have one on the box with the new components, if that might help you. Or even the end link that you have not taken off just yet. Once you have that all assembled, you just want to get the nut slightly started. You do not want to tighten it all the way down because you still want to have some kind of free travel so you can install the other end link once you remove the old one. Now with installation of this side done just the same as the first, it is time to start torquing these down. Now the manufacturer guidelines for these end links says that just torque the end link down until the bushings start to bulge out just a little bit. Not to the point where they're popping out and passing, but just bulging out slightly. I highly recommend you follow the guidelines of the manufacturer of whatever end link you buy to install in your Trailblazer. After getting both nuts torqued down, I like to take a pocket pry bar or screwdriver and put them up to each nut down the bolt to try to get a rough estimate if both are around the same torque. After which of doing this, I'll take a tape measure and get an actual accurate measurement of either side and make sure both sides are even. With both sides being even, we are all done. We can wrap this pony up, get all our tools and all our trash out of the way. After about a week of driving, I'll come back, do a bolt check, make sure we're all set. If everything's all good, we did our job right. Thank you all so very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please like it if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't like it, and leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. I have more Trailblazer content on the channel, so please check that out, as well as I do tool review videos and videos on my Drift Miata build series and my Toyota MR2 SW20 build series, and any other automotive content I find myself videotaping and doing. Thank you all so very much for watching. You all have a good one.